We are pleased to show you the 2014 XB. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, inside you'll find trip computer, power rear window sunshade, first aid kit, tinted glass, low tire pressure warning. The Scion XB, built under the Toyota nameplate, has almost single-handedly shaped the market for the boxy, city-driven vehicle. The XB offers exceptional cargo space for a vehicle of this size. Combined with the nimble acceleration and Toyota reliability, this vehicle will prove itself time and time again. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.